Now, are you sitting at home wondering how to bring in cash without commuting, investing thousands, or taking on a second job? What if I told you there are hidden income streams right under your nose that you're probably missing today? I'm pulling back the curtain on real practical ways where you can make money from home, some which you never heard of. Let's go. Turn skills into profit. You don't need to be a coding genius or financial expert. Got writing skills? Try freelance writing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Speak two languages? Offer translation services. Even niche knowledge like gaming or beauty tips can be turned to income through blogs or paid consulting. Another one, tap into digital products. Here's a passive stream that most people overlook: digital products. Think printable planners, ebooks, templates, even Notion dashboards. Create once, sell forever on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. It's a bonus tip. Use tools like ChatGPT to speed up content creation. It's like having a co-writer 24/7. Leverage affiliate marketing. If you're already posting on social media, blog, or YouTube, you need to tap into affiliate marketing. Promote products you love, products you love, and earn a cut. Amazon Associates. This is a good thing. It's a great start, but niche platforms like ShareSale or Impact pays more. This is one of the most busy. This is one for busy people. Microtasks. Websites like ClickWorker or Swazbooks or user testing pay you for short tasks, surveys, or testing websites. It won't make you rich now. It's real money for your spare minutes. Create subscription-based income. You know, love a topic? Build a following and monetize subscriptions. Platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee let your fans support you directly. You can offer bonus content, easy access, or coaching skills. So there you have it. Hidden income streams that anyone can start from home. You don't wait for perfect money. Start experimenting and build your income right one step at a time. Now hit that like button if you learned something new and subscribe for more ways to boost your income and freedom from home. Almost also comment what income stream you would try first. And and hey, I'm always there to give advice. I'm Ron Brooks. Thank you.